The objective of this session is to create one of the easiest activities in JClic, a double usage puzzle based on an image. To do this activity, I'm going to use a clip art from Word Office. So let's start JClic Author. I'm going to File and open the project that I show you how to create in the last video lesson. Its name is Module 01. Now I go to the Media Library tab and click on the icon to add a new image, which is this. Then search for the location where I saved the file. Select it, and the image is already available in the gallery. Now I go to the menu and click on the Activities tab. Once more, in order to add the puzzle activity, I have to click on this icon in the left upper corner. Once I do that, this window will open. In here, I have to select the type of activity that I want to create, which in this case, it will be a double puzzle activity. In the box name of activity, I will write Puzzle 1. And then accept with OK. After assigning the activity that I want to create, I will start editing it by going to the Panel tab. In this work area is where I will start designing the puzzle. Now I have to integrate the image into the activity. To do that, I click on the button Image. A window will open where I can see the images that are in the media library. I select the image, which I title Writing, and accept with OK. Now I'm going to indicate the number of rows and columns that I want the puzzle to have. I can do this by changing the numbers in the boxes with the buttons plus and minus, or by selecting the number and writing it directly. In this case, I will indicate 4 rows and 3 columns. The size of the panel and the boxes will automatically adjust to the chosen image, because I am working with a defined image in the panel. If I change the size, the result may deform the image, so I will leave it as it is. The next step is to select the shape I want the pieces in the puzzle to have. In order to do that, I pull down the menu selection of Type Shape Generator in the panel by clicking on this arrow. Here I can select from different types of shapes: jigsaw with curved unions, cuts, jigsaw with rectangular unions, rectangular, or jigsaw with triangular unions. For this activity, I will finally select the option Jigsaw with curved unions, which is the classic shape. Now I will click on this button to modify the properties of the shape generator that I have chosen. Here I can modify the height and width of the fitting edges. To do so, I move the height and width arrows to the right or left and observe how they change. Once I have reached the shape I want, I confirm with OK. Now I'm going to write a message for the activity. I'm going to the Messages tab and select the initial message. For this activity, I'm going to write the next sentence. However, you can write another message that you consider convenient for your activity, such as join the pieces to make the puzzle or any other. I am also going to write a final message. which will appear when the puzzle is done. That will be Now I'm going to preview the puzzle. I think I'm going to add some color to this activity. In order to do that, I'm going to the Window tab. I will change the color of the game window. Because I want to keep a common pattern between activities, I want to keep on applying the same colors to this and the previous activity. And the color for the main window will be white. I will go back to messages and change the color of them. Now I'm going to try the activity. These type of activities are useful, especially when we want students to relate a concept with an image, such as when working with flashcards or other types of visual aids. Finally, let's go to File and save the work. This concludes the current explanation on how to create a double puzzle from an image. Thank you. See you soon.